Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Kay and hope you enjoy and make sure you subscribe. If the past few years have taught us anything, it is that relying on a single paycheck can be risky. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build multiple income streams in 2025, from quick side hustle to long-term passive income ideas. So let's get started. By the end of this video, you will have at least 5 practical ways of diversifying your income. Because let's face it, financial security is more important than ever. And trust me, these methods work even if you have limited time and resources. Why multiple income streams? Diversifying your income means you're not dependent on just one job or one business. Economic shifts, job layoff, or even unexpected global events can derail your finance if you don't have any backup plans. Building multiple income streams isn't just for millionaires or tech gurus. Anyone can do it with the right strategy and consistency. So the first income stream is freelancing or consulting. If you have a skill, writing, graphics, design, coding, social media management, freelancing can be a quick way to start earning money. With platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, you can set your own rate and work with clients worldwide. In 2025, demand for specialized skill, especially in digital marketing, AI, and data analytics, will skyrocket. So think about how you can package your skill to stand out. Income stream 2, content creation and monetization. Whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, or a podcast, create content around something you're passionate about. This can generate incomes from ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. Start by unpicking a niche: gaming, personal finance, cooking, traveling, and consistently post valuable content. Once you build an audience, you can diversify by selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Income stream 3, print on demand or e-commerce. With platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Shopify, you can design and sell products without holding any inventory. This reduces startup cost and risk. If you're a creative, design your own merch. If not, consider outsourcing design or using AI generated art. Focus on a niche like pet lovers or fitness enthusiasts to stand out in a crowded market. Fourth income stream is investing and passive income. Want money to work for you while you sleep? Look into passive income avenues like dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, real estate crowdfunding, or even staking cryptocurrency. However, do your homework. Don't just throw your money into the latest crypto and meme coin. In 2025, stable long-term projects in blockchain and real estate can offer safer yields. Diversification is the key to reducing risk. Finally, income stream number 5 is create and sell online courses. E-learning is booming. If you're knowledgeable in any area, whether it's banking, coding, or personal finance, you can monetize by teaching others. Filming a course once can generate income for months, even years. Choose a platform that fits your needs. Some handles marketing for you, while others let you keep more of the profits. Bonus idea is building a personal brand, since that's like long lasting. A personal brand ties all your income stream together, whether it's freelancing, creating content, or selling products. Having a strong personal brand builds trust and makes you stand out. Consistently share your expertise, engage with your audience, and be authentic. Opportunities like brand deals or speaking gig will come your way naturally. Practical tips for getting started. First is set a clear goal. Know what you're aiming for. Extra cash, full-time replacement, or long-term wealth. Second is time management. Use tools like Trello or Notion to stay organized, especially if you're juggling multiple gigs. So any form of Kanban board. Finally, is to scale wisely. Reinvest some of your profit into better equipment, mentorship, or to new adventure to grow sustainably. And there you have it. 5 plus 1 bonus income stream you can build in 2025 to diversify your finance. Which one are you most excited to try first? Let me know down in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money, building businesses, and thriving in the digital market. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.